This app in the App Store is making $4 million per month, and in this screenshot, you can see proof of these numbers.
Most people fail at building apps because they start with ideas nobody has proven will sell.
This app in the App Store is making $4 million per month, and in this screenshot, you can see proof of these numbers. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how I copied it without writing a single line of code using just AI tools. Now, most people think that you need years of coding experience to build a successful app.
This app is already making millions per month, which means demand is confirmed. Smart beginners don't try to be original, they model what's already working. The real shift in 2026 is that you don't need to learn coding anymore. AI tools now handle the building part for you.
But what if I told you that AI can now build entire apps for you? iScanner is a PDF document scanner that lets users scan, edit, and organize their documents directly from their phone. It's one of the top productivity apps on the App Store right now.
Guys, I planned for a pretty long video packed with value education and real case studies, exactly the steps that we take and we teach our students to make real money. And you, my friend, haven't liked the video yet. May I ask why? Come on, give me some inspiration. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Switch on the notification bell button because this is just the beginning. We upload a new training every single day, and you want to get notified by YouTube. And the only way to do that is to subscribe to our channel, and make sure you ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you also help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 90 days. So go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Let's go.
I used only one AI tool to build this entire app, and it is the best AI coding tool available right now. All you have to do is just prompt your idea and the AI built your app. But here's what I've never shown before on my channel ever.
And next, I'll show you the exact AI tools that replace an entire dev team.
6. All right, so in this specific tutorial, we're gonna go step by step using Base 44 and Despia. Base 44 to build the app with AI, and Despia to easily submit the app to the App Store. Now, I added a special link in the description down below for both of those tools.
You don't start by building features, you start by building structure. Before AI adds any magic, it lays out the screens, navigation, and flow. That's how your app goes, from idea to something that already feels real. Smart builders let AI create the skeleton first, then add muscles later.
Before adding any features or scanner tools even, I want to make sure that our app actually has a place for everything to live, because it's a lot easier to build functionality when the layout is already mapped out.
And next, I'll show you the first action that makes users actually interact with your app.
Step here is setting up the front end and getting the main screens all in place. Now, to do that, we need to give Base 44 this exact prompt.
Structure alone isn't enough. Users need something to do. That first action is simple. Upload a file, see a preview, tap a button. Once someone interacts even once, your app feels legitimate. That's how AI-built apps build trust fast.
Create a new application called Document Scanner Pro. Build the foundational front end first. Add a mobile navigation bar with sections for dashboard, history, and settings. Create a user-friendly interface with a modern color scheme suitable for a productivity app. And make sure it's mobile optimized. And with that, Base 44 builds the structure out right away. It creates a clean mobile navigation bar here with the 3 sections that we needed. It sets up a modern color scheme, and it lays out each screen so that everything is.
And next is the step that actually turns this into a useful app.
Customization. Now, uploading a document sounds simple enough, right? But it's actually the moment where a scanner app starts to look real. Now, this is exactly the point where a user interacts with it for the first time. So like choosing a photo, seeing it appear on their screen, and knowing they're just one tap away from scanning. So
uploading a file is just interaction. It's not value yet. The real value is when AI pulls real text out of that image. That's the moment users think, okay, this actually works. AI turns a simple interface into a real problem-solving tool.
So in this step, I'm setting up that entire flow now. I'm picking an image, I'm previewing it instantly, and getting the interface ready for the AI features we'll build next. Now, in order to set this part up, we're going to instruct base 44 with this. Create the upload functionality that accepts image files. Whenever an image is uploaded, have it show in the preview area. Make sure the interface is intuitive and build a Scan Now button. Don't build the scanning feature yet.
And next, I'll show you how this turns into something people want to save and come back to.
Bring our app finally to life. So text recognition is where the app finally starts working, like an actual scanner. So uploading an image is great and all, but being able to pull real text out of that image is what turns this into something actually useful. And that's why I'm going to teach base 44 how to scan a document image and then convert it into clean, editable text.
Extracting text is good, but saving it is what creates habit. When users can preview, format, and store documents, the app becomes part of their routine. That's the difference between a one-time demo and a daily use tool. AI doesn't just generate results here, it creates retention.
We'll guide base 44 with this prompt so it knows exactly what to build out. Great. Now please build the scanning functionality. Utilize your own AI to scan images, then convert those to text. After scanning an image, show the results at the end and a button for the user to confirm if they want to save it. And once base 44 finishes generating that feature, we now have a functional AI-powered scanner. The Scan Now button here triggers.
And next is the final shift, turning this into a real App Store product.
All right, so we all know that it's one thing to extract text, but being able to treat it like a proper document, to preview it, format it, save it, and come back to it later on is what brings this whole project together. So right now, I want to build a full document creation flow, similar to what you'd expect in apps like Word or Google Docs.
Building the app was never the hard part. Shipping it is what separates builders from business owners. With the right AI tools, publishing to the App Store is no longer a technical nightmare. It's just a checklist.
To do that, we need a guide base 44 again with a clear prompt so it knows exactly what features to put in place. Please make the scan text as a document. Whenever a user scans an image and after parsing the text, add an option to save it as a document. Create a modal to visualize this and create a preview to show the user what the document will look like. Have formatting options available as well. Make sure this also saves in the applications.
And once it's live, that's when this stops being a project and starts becoming a business.
The Despia setup can look a little intimidating at first, but once you understand the flow and a lot of it repeats, it's actually really straightforward. Think of this step as moving your finished base 44 app into its App Store packaging area. Everything we do here is simply prepping Despia with the information and the visuals it needs before it can build the iOS version for us. So to begin, let's head on over to Despia's website and create a brand new app.
Quick pause here. If what I'm sharing is making sense and you're thinking, okay, but how does this actually work in a real system? I've put together a free training that walks through the exact structure and process we use. It's not theory, it's a behind-the-scenes walkthrough of how the system is set up, how the pieces fit together, and how most of the heavy lifting is already handled, so you're not starting from zero. If you want to see how it's structured and decide for yourself if it's a good fit, the link is in the description. All right, let's jump back in.
Project. This is where the app will live while we get it ready for App Store Connect. So let's go ahead and give our project a name. And for this part, anything works here, but for this build specifically, I'm going to use Document Scanner Pro. In the field labeled Web App Store URL, we just simply need to paste the public link we copied from base 44 earlier. And that link tells Despia exactly where the live version
If you like this video, gently hit the like button. If you dislike this video, then share with your friends and family. Because whether you liked it or not, it could be helpful to your friends and family and your social media contact. And if you think we are doing our best to try and explain to you how you can change your life, and you want to watch the next video, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. And make sure you ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button as well. This way, you will help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.